Hello guys. Welcome to WhatVwant, a technology vlog. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you 5 best free French-English dictionary sites. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. If you are new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Without any delay, let's get started. Number 1. Reverso. Reverso is an online tool providing linguistic services for more than 60 million users around the world. You can use it as an online dictionary, bilingual translator, spell checker, and more. It is integrated with AI to make the translation faster and precise. Along with French, you can also translate 15+ languages. Such a great tool is now available for you Android and iOS devices too. Features of Reverso: allows to translate text from any application in a click. Millions of real-life example. You can bookmark your favorite. Instant translate documents. Integrated grammar check. No ads. Number 2. bab.la. Bab.la is an online bilingual dictionary for English, French, and more. In April 2015, it joined with Oxford Dictionaries family. The vision and mission of Oxford and bab.la are to deliver quality language-related content to the global community. In 2017, it launched an online magazine about life aboard. Just go through the fantastic features of it. This can surely aid you to learn French from your English. Features of bab.la: easy to use. Shortcuts for different languages. Available in free and pro versions. It has quizzes to test and build vocabulary. Number 3. Linguee. Linguee is an online dictionary for a number of language pairs. You can use it now for English to French translation or vice versa. According to sources, it has millions of translations in the French language. That's it, you can access millions of its translations. Such a great dictionary is now available for online and offline. Features of Linguee: simple interface. Entire file can be translated. You can listen to the pronunciation of French words. Provides several sentences of external sources in both languages side by side. Number 4. Google Translate. Google Translate is a fantastic bilingual translation site to translate English to French translation. You can add it as an extension to your Google Chrome browser. It too provides an app for Android and iOS devices. According to sources, millions of people worldwide accessing it daily. The figure in millions can become billions or even trillions. Features of Google Translate: exact translations. It can pronounce the translated words. It can translate the entire document into the selected language. Speech translation is possible. Number 5. WordReference. WordReference is an online translation dictionary for many languages pairs, just like English, French, and more. It is ranked in the top 100 websites list in France, so that you can get accurate translations from it. This is a single-page application with a very simple user interface. WordReference is available in the form of web, mobile application, and browser extensions. Features of WordReference: side-by-side translation. Also displays the synonyms of the words. You can view conjugate verbs in the French language. Hope you like this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.